Oklahoma County DA Wes Lane is being sued, accused of lying to cover up mistakes. After a 2-year investigation just before trial, Wes Lane dismissed rape and child sexual abuse charges against a former El Reno police officer. The case may be over, but Lane will have to defend himself. This lawsuit is not about how District Attorney Wes Lane handled the case against the officer, but for what he said to the media when it was over.
He pushed me over the couch, put my face in the couch, and pulled my pants down and raped me.
She and her brother told their stories to a judge, but never made it to the jury.
She sat me down and she said we weren't going to go. And I told her I wanted to go no matter what. And she said that Kai's attorney, his new attorney, is going to be even worse and he's going to eat me alive. And she already made up her mind that we weren't going to go.
2 years after Wes Lane filed child sexual abuse and sodomy charges against former El Reno police officer Kai Harrington, after the children testified at the preliminary hearing and new rape charges were added, just before trial, Wes Lane's office dismissed all but one of the 14 charges.
If they would not have found evidence, they would have never have filed charges.
As district attorney, Wes Lane has what's called immunity. He cannot be sued for how he handles a case.
We're not suing him for his ineptitude. We're suing him for what he did after the case was closed, and that is try to portray my client in a false light for his own benefit.
The lawsuit accuses Lane of making up lies about the children's mother. The lawsuit references a statement made by Lane's office to the Oklahoman last year, saying we acknowledge a level of criminal activity was committed. The difficulty was in proving it without sacrificing the victims. The lawsuit then points to a second press statement released to a television station last week, accusing the children's mother of being a manipulative mother who brainwashed her children and lied to DHS. Did you make it up?
No.
Did you tell your kids to say these things?
No.
I don't know why he said that. Why he'd just make up a lie like that.
What Wes Lane stated about me is untrue. The fact that he's trying to cover up his mishandling or not doing his job and blaming it on me and my children.
The lawsuit accuses Wes Lane of issuing the statement for political purposes to earn the support of the local police departments by portraying the ex-police officer as a victim. We're a week before the election. Is this lawsuit politically motivated?
This lawsuit doesn't have anything to do about politics from our side. Obviously, it must have had something to do about trying to garner votes and endorsements from their side.
Lane's public information officer, Debra Forshee, is also named in the lawsuit.
If she's going to step up and sign her name to the press release, she's just as liable as he is.
Well, we called Debra Forshee, Wes Lane's public information officer. She tells us the office had not received official notification of the lawsuit, so she could not comment.